When homeowners in Phoenixville think about boosting their property value, major renovations often come to mind. However, one of the most effective and overlooked upgrades is door replacement. Updating your entry, patio, or interior doors can significantly enhance your home's appearance, functionality, and overall market appeal, often with a faster return on investment than larger remodeling projects. First impressions matter more than you think. Your front door is one of the first things visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make an otherwise well-maintained home feel neglected. On the other hand, a modern, well-designed entry door immediately signals quality and care. In Phoenixville's diverse housing market, curb appeal plays a major role in perceived value. Replacing an old front door with a stylish, durable option, such as steel, fiberglass, or solid wood, can instantly elevate your home's exterior. Even subtle upgrades like new hardware, glass inserts, or a bold color choice can make your property stand out. Improved energy efficiency adds real value. Door replacement isn't just about looks. Older doors often allow drafts, heat loss, and moisture infiltration, which can increase energy bills and reduce indoor comfort. New doors are designed with advanced insulation, tighter seals, and energy-efficient materials that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round. For Phoenixville homeowners, this improvement translates into lower utility costs and a more comfortable living environment, features that today's buyers actively look for. Energy efficiency is no longer a bonus, it's an expectation, and upgraded doors help meet that standard. Enhanced security builds buyer confidence. Security is a top priority for homeowners and buyers alike. Older doors may lack modern locking systems, reinforced frames, or impact-resistant materials. Door replacement allows you to install products with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems and reinforced cores. A home that feels safe is more appealing and more valuable. Buyers are more likely to feel confident making an offer when they know critical entry points have been upgraded to current safety standards. Modern design increases market appeal. Design trends change over time, and outdated doors can make a home feel stuck in the past. Replacing interior and exterior doors with modern styles, such as clean-lined panels, decorative glass, or sleek sliding patio doors, can instantly refresh your home's interior and exterior spaces. In Phoenixville, where homes range from historic properties to newer builds, the right door design can help balance charm with modern convenience. Thoughtfully chosen doors complement your home's architecture while appealing to a broad range of potential buyers. Strong return on investment compared to large renovations like kitchen or bathroom remodels. Door replacement is a cost-effective upgrade with a strong return. Many homeowners recoup a significant portion of their investment when selling, while also enjoying the benefits of improved comfort, aesthetics, and security in the meantime. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, upgraded doors contribute to long-term value by reducing maintenance needs and protecting your home from weather-related wear. A smart upgrade for Phoenixville homeowners. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your home's comfort and style, door replacement is a smart, impactful investment. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to improving security and modernizing design, new doors deliver benefits that buyers notice and homeowners appreciate. For Phoenixville residents, replacing outdated doors isn't just an upgrade, it's a strategic way to increase home value while enjoying a more beautiful and functional living space every day.